go on a seed hunt. Won't you come with me? Come on, let's go. When trees and plants grow, then they make seeds. But they're seeds. If they fall right next to the mama tree or mama plant, they don't have room to grow. They can't just walk away like human children can. So seeds have to find other ways to move. Let's go find out some of the ways that seeds move away and find space to grow. This plant is one of my favorites. It uses a popping strategy. Watch this. Oh, there go the seeds. They're popping everywhere. It's sticky. It can stick right on my head. It can stick right on my clothes. And that's the way that plant tries to move around. It uses a sticking strategy. This big walnut tree makes big nuts that squirrels like to eat. The squirrels chew on some of the nuts and eat the tasty meat, but some of them escape and get moved far away to grow into new walnut trees. They use the yummy strategy. The maple tree behind me makes a special kind of seed. Some people call them helicopter seeds or samaras, and they use the wind to travel. When you throw them up in the air, they can spin around.